Essential tips for handling a car tire change emergency. 1. Being prepared for a tire change emergency can save you time and stress on the road. 2. Always keep a spare tire, jack, and lug wrench in your vehicle for emergencies. 3. Safety first, ensure your vehicle is on a flat surface and turn on hazard lights. 4. Loosen lug nuts before lifting the car, this makes removal easier once the tire is off the ground. 5. After changing the tire, check the spare's pressure and ensure all tools are stored safely. Stay safe on the road and subscribe for more essential tips.